Dear students, today we will read advertisements. First, we understand what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a kind of public announcement asking for or offering services or buying and selling properties, goods, etc. or giving information about missing persons, pets, etc. It is a potent medium deliberately used to influence the minds, tastes, and even motives of the masses. It is an announcement made through a popular medium that targets a large number of people. Newspaper, magazines, TV, radio, cinema, leaflets, pamphlets, etc. are extensively used for such purposes. Their content is brief, words limited, and sentences not necessarily grammatically correct. Information in digital, abbreviated, and short form is acceptable. However, the brief description of the product or services advertised and contact address must be there. There are two basic types of advertisement in the newspaper: classified and commercial. In short, we understand that an advertisement is a publicly announced message which is targeted for soliciting or offering various services or to impart information to the common masses. Classified advertisement. Classified advertisements are placed by individuals wishing to advertise goods and services available or needed. These ads, as the name implies, are grouped according to the product or service type. Classified advertisers are billed by the word or the line. As a result, classified ads are generally brief and descriptive. Every newspaper has a separate section for classified advertisement. These advertisements are called classified advertisements as they are divided into categories or classes according to their subject matter and the function they perform. Advertising can be for vacant situations, sale and purchase of property or goods, property to let, educational institutions, missing persons, pets, lost and found, and travels and tours. Here we understand what is an advertisement. A kind of public announcement asking for or offering services or buying, selling property, goods, etc. It can also be used for providing information about missing persons, positions, or people. Two kinds of advertisement: classifieds. These are placed by individuals advertising goods or services available or needed. They are generally brief and descriptive. Commercial. These are designed for commercial purposes. They require more space, hence are costly. Must be attractive with visuals, catchy phrases, and slogans. Kind of classified ads: situation vacant, wanted, lost and found, sale and purchase, accommodation wanted, educational, placement services, matrimonial, to let, tuitions, packers and movers, travels and tours, etc. Features of classified ads: written in short phrases and words, simple, concise, and to the point. Comprehensive, it must include all important matter. Give all necessary details in points using commas. Clearly state the category at the top: for sale, to let, situations wanted, vacant, bride, bridegroom wanted, lost and found, missing travels and tour, sad, demise, etc. Give contact address, name and telephone number. Put the matter in a box. Situation vacant. Specify the post and number of vacancies. Qualities of the person required. Name of the company optional. Age and sex of the candidate. Pay scale and perks. Mode of applying. Contact address and phone number. Lost and found. Begin with lost, found. description of the article, when and where the article was lost or found, reward for finding it, contact address and phone number. Sale and purchase. For example, vehicles for sale. Make, Maruti, Hyundai, Honda, etc. Model, color, accessories, year of manufacture, mileage, condition. These things, information you have to mention. Ownership details, price expected, contact address and phone number. Next is property for sale. You have to mention location, where it is, area in square meter, yards, name of the development authority, price expected, contact address and phone number. Again, see the description. To let. Type of accommodation, number of rooms, floor, whether it is an independent house or an apartment. Rent expected, type of tenant required, bank, employee, small family, you have to mention. Whom and when to contact, contact address and phone number. Clearly mention this, your contact address and phone number. Example for situation vacant. Here we will see an example for situation vacant. Ahmedabad International Schools needs a secretary to the principal. The administrative department drafts a classified advertisement for the classified advertisement section of a newspaper. Write the advertisement. Begin with wanted or required. Name of the organization, post and number of vacancies, age and gender of the candidate, qualification and experience. Other details optional. Pay scale and perks, mode of applying, contact address and phone number. Please see the important things you have to mention. Here you see how to write. Example for situation vacant. First, introduction, opening statement. Wanted for Ahmedabad International School. Here, this is an organization name, Ahmedabad International School. Post advertised, number of vacancies. What is the post? A secretary. The school needed a secretary. Qualification, experience required. Possessing good correspondence skills, a good command over written and spoken English, and a pleasing personality. Pay scale and perks. Working knowledge of computers is essential with a typing speed of 60 words per minute. These you have to mention under qualification, experience required. Pay scale and perks. Salary negotiable. Mode of apply. Apply with complete biodata within 15 days to Administration Officer, Ahmedabad International School, Ahmedabad. This is the contact address and a phone number. Please see it, how to write situation vacant, advertise. Here is a diagnostic test for all of you. Delhi Travel Agency wants office assistants draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified column of the Times of India. Here it is clearly given some points A, B, C, D, E. You have to fill these blanks to complete the advertisement. Please attempt it and complete it. Here I have mentioned under A column, wanted for Delhi Travel Agency. B, office assistants possessing good communication skills. C, Work experience as an assistant for 1 year is required. D. Negotiable. E. Phone number. Whatever the phone number is, you have to clearly mention. Students, I hope that all of you have understand how to write an advertisement in an effective manner. Thank you, students, for watching the video of advertisement. Please go through it in complete and understand how to write. Thank you very much.